Let's see how to use video transitions in Canva. As per what the title says, all we need to do is click on video. Let's choose landscape for this example. And let's just add multiple videos into our timeline. So for this example, let's choose this video. Then I want to add another video here. Let's just delete that. I want to add another video here. So in order for us to add a transition, all we need to do is hover in the middle of the two videos and click Add Transition. We can use the dissolve effect or slide effect or line wipe. Choose any transition we want. It will work, and be creative in what you're gonna make, and all will be well. And that's it. That's how you create video transition in Canva. See you soon.